Time for poetry. Engage thoughtfully. Symbiosis. Nature is alive today as its silence and sounds reverberate around the garden, eliciting interactions between different species. Dead dragonflies harden, a wondrous view of scent and bees buzzing around blooming flowers, reflecting in deep thought, sitting and meditating about life's power, listening and observing the details of germinating seeds into sprouts, bringing together the beauty of symbiosis of plants and animals, no doubt. Watching birds chasing each other's and foraging on the earth's bountifulness. Life's resilience continues to follow nature's purpose and beautifulness. Sitting here quietly on a windless, sunny day in Riviera and reflecting about the fragile balance of life and the continuing resilience of nature. Symbiosis.